Hi, this is Rich with Rich Baum Photography, Sacramento, California, and I'm doing a remake of a tutorial I did over a year ago, how to wirelessly adjust the power of our lights and with Godox Lights, Flashpoint lights, and we can not only remotely power them, but we can put a trigger on the camera and we can remotely trigger the camera with an iPad. And many people know that I have the iPad with my LifeProof case and strap. And I love doing remote tethering, and it's very important. But what I want to do here is now have the ability to adjust my lights off camera, and then I trigger it, and this is going to override this. So all this trigger is doing on the camera, which is a Godox X1 trigger, and it is going to allow me to trigger my lights, but it's not going to adjust the power. So right now with this new XPro Trigger, which I like very much, I can select my different groups, A, B, C, D, E, and what I want you to do is leave no lights on group A. For all intents and purposes for this video, I'm going to show you how not only can we adjust the power here, but we can turn the lights off with one little button instead of going to each light and turning them off. So normally what I do is channel B, I have my little speed light over here. I have it set and I can change my settings, okay? Then I go to my AD200 over there and I am changing that settings, okay? And now I've got my Nikon D750 and this is my Nikon tilt shift, 19mm tilt shift, and my camera ranger here. So I am able to control everything from my iPad. Oh, the thing here now is though I've got my lights set on, I want to take a picture, so I'm just going to take my camera and I'm going to flash it. And the flashes go off, but then I say I want to, let's say I'm in another room triggering the camera, which I can do because I'm wirelessly tethered, and what I want to do now is I just want to turn off all my lights. So all you have to do is go down here. Now remember, we don't have anything on group A, only B and C, but you can have it on B, C, D, and E. And the whole point of this is we press our mode button here, press it one time, and it turns everything off except channel A goes to multi. I do the trigger, and you can see, hopefully you can see, there are no lights. All I want to do is go back to putting it on so the lights work. I press it again, and everything is back on with the same values as before, and then I go trigger, and the lights go off. So, a really simple little tutorial. We really like the Flashpoint, I don't remember what the model number is for the Flashpoint, but I will put it in the show notes. And along with the show notes, I'd like to say, please subscribe to the Rich Baum YouTube channel because I am this close to 10,000 subscribers. It makes me feel like I've really accomplished something. And I want to thank all of you for being part of this. The other thing I want to say too is please use my Adorama link, which really motivates me to do these free tutorials and just as a little thank you. So if you're going to buy something, use the link and then go shopping. And the other thing I want to do is 2 plugs. One plug is going to be for my workshops. I am now doing 2-day workshops, and I have one in February, one in March, and 2 in April up in Seattle. I'm going to be California and then Seattle. So you can reach me via the link on the show notes about the Wix website for the workshops. And last but not least, it is going to be our new podcast. A fellow photographer, Brian Berkowitz out of New York, and I'm California, he's New York. We're doing a podcast and we have them, now we've had like 5 of them going on. We're doing interviews with some of the best in the business, some top photographers, tips and tricks. We're getting photographers and we're getting like SEO, search engine optimization professionals. We're going to be talking to a lot of really great people that can help you and hopefully make it entertaining so you can listen to a podcast on your way to your shoot. So this is Rich with Rich Baum Photography saying, give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, put a comment there. I reply to all my comments as quickly as I can. And I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And just a few more and I'm up to 10,000 people. Really cool. So talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.